This section shows you how to calculate viscosity at a range of temperatures and density correction from 50 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius in vacuo. To fill, hold the viscometer on its end, loosen the valve, and remove the plug from the tube. Make sure the tube is clear and clean and contains the metal ball. Fill it with the oil sample to just above the V-plate. With the valve still open, push the plug in gently until any remaining air is gone, then tighten the valve and wipe away any excess oil. Connect the power cable and the viscometer is ready for use. To take a measurement, start by pressing Reset. You can use the arrow keys to move between temperature settings. Unheated lube oil corrected to 40 degrees Celsius, heated lube oil at 40 degrees Celsius, heated fuel oil at 50 degrees Celsius. Press Return to select the setting. The temperature display will flash as the oil is heated, and the degree symbol will flash until the oil temperature is stabilized. Because the viscosity of oil is so dependent upon its temperature, it is very important that the temperature in the viscometer is accurately controlled and allowed to stabilize. Only tilt the viscometer when prompted. Now the display shows the viscosity. Wait for further tilt prompts before taking repeat readings. Use the arrow keys again to get a display of centistokes at 100 degrees Celsius if required. This is indicated by the small dash on the display. To improve accuracy, take several readings over a longer period of time until the readings stabilize. The default setting for oil density used by the viscometer is 0.9 for 40 degrees Celsius operation and 0.99 at 50 degrees Celsius. To change this, select Mode 1 and use the speed and arrow keys to input a known density. Advance to Mode 5 and press Return to recalculate the centistokes value with this new density. For unheated operation with multigrade or synthetic oils, follow the basic procedure for readings at 40 degrees. Then select Mode 1 and enter the figure for corrected oil density. The default setting used is 0.9. Select Mode 5 and enter the viscosity index figure. The default here is 100. Press Return to recalculate centistokes at 40 degrees Celsius. In Mode 1, the small c indicates a corrected reading at 15 degrees Celsius in vacuo. If you were given a reading at 50 degrees Celsius in air, correct this by pressing Return and entering your uncorrected reading. Press Return again to obtain the corrected readout at 15 degrees in vacuo. This value will then be used by the viscometer for all the other calculations. To summarize, fill with oil to the V-plate, switch on, select temperature setting, tilt when prompted, viscosity displayed when stable. See your manual for more functions.